Hello guys, today we are going to learn about why it is so difficult to get into a data scientist role, or is it just a hype? Before that, thanks for all the support for my previous video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Let's get on to the things. If you observe statements given by major organizations, artificial intelligence is going to be huge. Data science is going to create a lot of job opportunities. We all misread that statements. Let me take an example. If I wanted to set up a 20 members workforce for a data science project, I would need 12 to 15 software engineers or developers who can set up a platform to handle the data and make it available for my data analyst team and data scientist team. Same way, I would need 4 to 5 data analysts who can perform data sanity checks and also create some reports for the business. And I would need 2 to 3 data scientists. If you see the ratio, though this data science project is creating 20 jobs, but requirement for the data scientist role is just 10 to 15%. If you are aiming to become a data scientist at this point of time, yes, it is the right time, because there is a huge gap between demand and supply for a data scientist role. At the same time, we are not aiming for the roles that still there in the data science, like data engineers and data analysts. So some of the organizations, though your designation says data scientists, roles will be divided as data scientist engineer, data science analyst, and actual data scientists. Now, if you are an engineer who wants to switch your career into data scientist, you need to play with your strengths, that is your engineering, and also try to learn the concepts of data scientist so that you will become a data scientist over a period of time. But you will need time. Same way, if you are a data analyst who wants to become a data scientist, you need to do the same thing and you will become a data scientist over a period of time. So, if you are an academic graduate recently and you have experience or you learned artificial intelligence algorithms or machine learning algorithms, what you need to do is learn the concepts of how to handle the big data, because your academics cannot provide you that platform. The data that you practice in academics will be very different from the real time. In real time, the data is going to be huge. So you need to understand the concepts of data handling or data management in a real-time world so that you can explain your engineering team how you need the data for your project. So whoever you are, like an engineer or a data analyst or a academic graduate, set your path, learn the concepts of other teams and become a data scientist over a period of time. All the best, guys. Happy learning. Thank you.